Good day. I'm LJ Garan of USID3C. My report is all about polynomial regression. So first of all, let's define polynomial regression. A polynomial regression is a type of regression analysis where the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable is modeled as an agreed polynomial. It is an extension of linear regression that allows for modeling nonlinear relationships by including polynomial terms in the equation. For instance, a quadratic polynomial regression equation is shown below. So, when is polynomial regression used? Polynomial regression is used when the relationship between the dependent and the independent variable is nonlinear, but can be approximated by polynomial function. It is suitable when the data points exhibit curvature, a linear model fails to capture the complexity of the data is one-dimensional or has a single predictor variable. So how do you use polynomial regression? So first is to collect data. Obtain a data set with an independent variable and a dependent variable. Visualize data. Plot the data to check if the relationship is nonlinear. Train the model. Fit the polynomial regression model to the transferred data using tools like Python, Scikit-learn, or R. Evaluate the model. Check the model's performance using metrics such as R2, mean squared error, or visualization. Predict. Use the model to make predictions for the data points. So, what are the some applications where you can use polynomial regression? First is economics. Modeling the effect of advertising spend on sales over time. Environmental science. Estimating pollution levels as a function or temperature or humidity. Engineering. Modeling stress strain curves for materials. Medicine. Analyzing the growth of tumors over time. Agriculture. Predicting crop yield based on fertilizer application. So here's an example of a real world scenario where predicting house prices based on multiple factors. The independent variables are square footage of the house, number of bedrooms, age of the house in years, distance from the city center in kilometers, neighborhood type like urban, suburban, or rural, and the dependent variable is house price in USD. So, in this scenario, the relationship between the house price and some independent variables like square footage or distance from the city center may not be linear. For instance, house prices may increase sharply for the properties near the city center and plateau as the distance increases. Polynomial regression can capture this nonlinear relationship and help build a more accurate predictive model for real estate pricing.